What's up, XRP coin holder? Congratulations, my brothers, to XRP price will pumping up after a very long time. But don't worry, my brother. Absolutely, after a short dump, absolutely every coin will pump up. As you can see here, after this huge pump, they will dump down. So this is really very shock news, my friend, from all of you. But don't worry, I will predicate this coin, and after that, you will better understand. Can upcoming time the big dump is coming soon or the big pump is coming soon. So let's see, my friend. But please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So hope you will subscribe our YouTube channel. So XRP holder, as you can see here, first of all, I draw the line 1, and the second you can see, my friend, I draw the line 2, and the third, as you can see, my friend, I draw the line 3. So these three lines, as you can see, my friend, the first line represent, you can see the highest point, the second you can see here is the resistance line, and the third line is, my friends, touch the lowest point. So absolutely, my friend, you can see here every coin will moving in this circulation to after a jump. As you can see, my friend, after a jump they will dumps down, just and only they will fails down from resistance line, not touch, my friend, the lowest point. So absolutely, this time you can see, my friend, they will circulation in here. So definitely I will explain you, my friend, but just and only, as you can see, my friend. All right, so here, as you can see, the first 3 points, you can see they will touch now here, just and only focus, my friend. This time you can see here they will touch the highest point, and they will never face down from resistance line. So this is completely perfect time. But here, as you can see, my friend, this point they will touch the lowest point and resistance line, not touch the highest point. So absolutely, this is also, my friend, lost time. But after that, I am 100% sure to they will hit the resistance line, they will hit the highest point, because, my brother, after a dump every coin will pumps. So therefore I am 100% sure to exactly price will be pumping up in upcoming days. So my prediction is 100% going positive. What's your opinion? Share it in the comment box, and my opinion is to please hold. See you next time, holder. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.